Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best grilling paper on the market, the Pink Butcher Paper Roll by Bryco Goods. Whether you're a seasoned pitmaster or a backyard barbecue enthusiast, this product promises to elevate your smoking, grilling, and cooking experience. What makes this Pink Butcher paper stand out? First off, it's crafted right here in the USA and designed specifically for food use. The paper is unbleached, uncoated, and unwaxed, which means it doesn't leave any unwanted residues on your food, keeping flavors pure and natural. This is especially important when you're smoking meats and want that authentic barbecue taste without any interference. One of the key features of this butcher paper is its durability and strength. Unlike regular paper, this butcher paper is ultra durable, designed to trap smoke effectively while allowing steam to escape. This balance is essential for maintaining moisture and creating that perfect bark on your brisket or ribs. The interior is reinforced to enhance wet strength, so it won't tear or fall apart when wrapping juicy, heavy cuts of meat. The size of this roll is also worth noting. At 18 inches wide and 175 feet long, it's one of the most popular sizes among grilling enthusiasts. It's long enough to handle multiple large cuts of meat and wide enough to wrap up your smoking projects with ease. Plus, the roll format means you can cut the paper to your desired length, reducing waste and making it versatile for various cooking needs. Aside from smoking, this butcher paper is also excellent for serving and storing meat. Its sturdy nature makes it perfect for wrapping up leftovers or presenting food in a rustic, authentic way. It's also microwave safe, though it's not recommended for direct use in ovens or grills without food in between. For those interested in creative uses, crafters have found that the uncoated surface of this paper works well for sublimation printing, as it absorbs residual ink nicely. This adds an extra layer of versatility beyond the kitchen. In summary, the Pink Butcher Paper Roll by Bryco Goods is a superior choice for anyone serious about grilling and smoking. Its strong, food-grade material, the perfect balance of trapping smoke and releasing steam, and its practical roll size make it a must-have in your cooking arsenal. Made in the USA with quality in mind, it's designed to help you achieve delicious, smoky meats every time. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're passionate about perfect grilling and smoking, this Pink Butcher Paper Roll is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews. See you next time.